Money turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage.
Today I'm gonna be going over the Spring Summer 18 Week 12 drop. That Supreme Fox collab. This week was fire. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the gloves. I originally wasn't gonna keep the gloves, but then when I saw them I was like, damn, these are fire. Yeah, I'm not on dirt bike or nothing like that, but who knows, I'll probably get on a four-wheeler, you know what I'm saying? But come on, look at this. This is fire. Plus I'll use this for the winter. I don't care. And they got like brass knuckles right here type of thing. So act fresh. Act fresh while I got these on. You can see, my G. Not with me, oh yeah. Not with me. This is a large that I cop right here with the same color wave as my jersey. I don't know if I'll rock it together. That's a little much. Unless it's for photos or something. I would definitely rock this in the winter because people gonna be like, yo, look at his gloves. Why are the gloves so bright? Then because they staring at it, then that's when they notice. Yeah, that's the Supreme logo right there. Box logo on the glove. Back up. Don't front. Stop hating. Pay attention to your own stuff. You feel me? Not me. You want to watch something? Watch TV. What I like about these is that you can actually touch your phone. You know how your iPhone, some gloves you can't touch and like touch the screen and stuff, you can actually touch with these. Plus they put these here for like grip and for you can actually touch your phone. The material is good. It's a stretchy material. It's not too warm, but I know it'll keep you good if it's winter. It has the Velcro on the bottom. You just snap just like that, nothing crazy. The Supreme logo is like a rubber material, which is nice. It's a rough, strong material. I don't know exactly what material. Let me check right here. It's 40% polyamide nylon, 29% polyester, 17% polyurethane, 7% neoprene, 5% polyvinyl chloride, and 2% elastane. Okay, that's a little intense. I wasn't expecting it to be that long, but it's a good material. It has the Supreme, it got the rubber, it got the little padding on the blue part. Like it's not like some thin cheap type of glove. Like on the bottom it's real thick, it's strong. It don't feel like it's gonna break. Like I can do whatever with this and I'll be good. I mean, I expect it because it's for dirt bikes, you feel me? So you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna zoom in to the jersey. I'm gonna zoom into the glove so y'all can see everything detailed. So y'all can authenticate tags. So y'all can see serial numbers. Yeah, so y'all can see what's up. So if y'all wanna copy, y'all can copy Stock X, Let Go. Whatever y'all wanna cop it on, do your thing, man. Here goes the zoom in, B.
Money turned me to a savage. I'm going hard for things that I ain't having. I'm stuffing my pockets with extra cabbage. Money the motive I got established. These streets turn me to a savage. Working hard, I don't wanna be average. I'm stacking my bread, now I'm living lavish. This cold world turned me to a savage. The money keep coming, I don't change. I was broke, I was trapping in the...
Hey yo, y'all already know what I need y'all to do, man. Subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos. I'll reply to all of y'all. Like my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino. Like my pictures, like my videos, comment, follow me, all that good stuff. Y'all already know I'm gonna do it right back with y'all, man. Holla at me. See me for the next video. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it.
Money turned me to a savage.